Hi everyone, Jack here. I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial of how to resize the images in the Just Inclined CD-ROM. So when you start it up, you're going to get this on your screen. It'll auto run on here, and you've got all of your different categories down this side. I'm going to go to flowers. And once you've clicked on that, it'll open up the flowers folder, and click in the centre of flowers, and it'll bring up the categories down here. You can see I'm just highlighting them and going down, and I'm going to use the poppy cluster as an example. Now we can open it up in a big screen so that you can see it here, but I don't actually want to do it this way. I want to be able to resize it. So this is the best way that I've found to do this, and as a few people have asked me, I just thought I would show you this tutorial. So I'm going to close that down. So that's where it is there. I then have Word opened up, which is Microsoft Word, and I've made it smaller, purely so that I can put it alongside this. You can make it smaller by this button here, and it's got two little files there. You click it again and it makes it smaller. What I'm going to do from there is I'm going to drag this image here, which is in the file, across onto Word. So all you do is you click down with your left button on your mouse, you hold the button down over the image and you drag it. Can you see I've got the image here, and it's moving across, and I'm going to drop it onto Word here. From there, to resize your image, if you click on it, you'll see either arrows or a circle in the corner here, or it might be squares, and when you hover over it with your mouse, it gives you two arrows. It's a redirectional arrow. You can then click on that and hold it down, and you can move the file to whatever size you want. So you can see that's a much easier size to manage and colour in, which would be perfect for your cards. And if you've got your ruler on, you can see this one's about 9 centimetres by about 9 centimetres, and it works out very well. From there, before I print it out, if I move that up by using the scroll bar here, if I move that further up to the top, I can then make the page small, and I can go over and I can get another image. And for this one I will use, let's have a look, the bluebell cluster. So I'll hold that down again and I'll drag it over onto the page, and I'll do exactly the same. I'll open that up so you can see it. You can see I've got it over that image there. If I get hold of that corner and move it down again, and then I just move it down the page by entering. What I could then do is print the whole of this page out. I could even put other images in there just by moving it up. Let's see if I can get it to. So I can get two images on there, which is great. It means it's much easier for you to manage, and it's as easy as that, just by dragging it over, positioning it where you want it, and you can make it as large or as small as you want it. If you decide that you don't want to print it, just delete once it's highlighted, but it does mean that you can have the image exactly the size you want just by dragging that. And then once you've printed it, you can close it down, don't save the changes, and it's still on your file here for whenever you want it. I hope that's helpful for you.